buddy. Yeah, buddy. Good boy, Seamus. Hi, this is Seamus. There's a lot of him to love, but he is such a good cat. He's out with the babies right now, and you'd never know it. He's so good with them. Yeah, see, there's one right there. Just stole his toy. What's up with that, huh? Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Who stole your toy?